The information provided in this video is for general informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of hydrogen-rich water, also known as hydrogenated water. Is it just another health fad, or does science back up its potential benefits? Let's explore the research and find out. Hydrogen-rich water has emerged as a novel approach in health and wellness, believed to have therapeutic antioxidant properties. But what does the science say? A systematic review of 25 studies revealed some intriguing findings. Hydrogen-rich water showed potential benefits in various areas, including exercise capacity, liver function, cardiovascular health, and even mental well-being. One randomized, double-blind, controlled trial demonstrated that consuming 1.5 liters of hydrogen-rich water daily could reduce inflammatory responses and increase antioxidant capacity in healthy adults. The study found decreased levels of certain inflammatory markers and improved antioxidant status in participants drinking hydrogen-rich water compared to those drinking plain water. But the benefits don't stop there. Another study focusing on individuals over 30 years old showed a significant increase in biological antioxidant potential after consuming hydrogen-rich water. This suggests that hydrogen water might be particularly beneficial for older adults. Hydrogen-rich water has also shown promise in addressing metabolic syndrome. A 2020 randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial found that participants drinking hydrogen-rich water had significantly reduced blood cholesterol, glucose, and hemoglobin A1c levels, along with improved inflammatory markers. For those interested in physical performance, hydrogen-rich water supplementation has demonstrated positive effects on repeated sprint ability, muscle fatigue, and ventilatory response. This could be exciting news for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Hydrogen-rich water has also emerged as a potential tool in the fight against aging, with promising effects on telomere length and overall health. Telomeres are repetitive DNA sequences that cap the ends of chromosomes, protecting them from damage and degradation. As we age, telomeres gradually shorten, which is considered a hallmark of biological aging. But how does hydrogen-rich water work? The secret lies in its ability to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, potentially mitigating oxidative stress-induced damage through anti-inflammatory and anti-apoptotic pathways. The recommended daily intake of hydrogenated or hydrogen-rich water varies depending on individual factors such as age, weight, activity level, and health status. However, general guidelines based on research suggest the following. 1.5 to 2 liters, or 51 to 68 ounces per day, is commonly recommended for optimal health benefits with a minimum hydrogen concentration of 1500 ppb, or parts per billion. Some studies suggest consuming 1 to 3 liters daily, depending on personal needs and goals, such as reducing oxidative stress or improving metabolic health. For beginners, starting with smaller amounts, like 1 glass per day, and gradually increasing intake is advised to monitor the body's response. Drinking hydrogen-rich water on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes before meals is often recommended for better absorption. Overconsumption may lead to mild side effects like bloating or diarrhea, so moderation is key. It's important to note that while these results are promising, more research with larger sample sizes is needed to fully substantiate these findings. However, the current evidence suggests that hydrogen-rich water could be a simple yet effective addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, is hydrogen-rich water worth trying? Given its potential benefits and minimal side effects, it might be worth considering. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. That's all for today's exploration of hydrogen-rich water. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay hydrated and stay healthy.